Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video today. And in today's video I'm going to do a collective haul. So a collective haul is a mixture of products that I have purchased in the last couple of days or months. So usually I always do these collective hauls, like some of the products I have purchased online, some from the local market and here and there. So if you like hauls and if you're interested in knowing what I'm going to show you in this haul video, then keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then what are you guys doing? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like my content and if you would like to support my channel. So let's get started now. Alright friends, so I have a lot of items to show you guys, so I'm going to start off one by one. And I would like to say that I did not upload a video last few days because I was really busy. If you have watched my Swiss Beauty Clear Mascara video, I did mention my brother had come to India and they were out here, so there was no way that I could sit and film a video. So that's probably the reason for my absence. I don't think anybody bothered to ask me except for 2 or 3 people, so I just wanted to mention in the video. And going forward, if I have something to announce, I will mention it on my community tab. Now I will mention the link in the description. You can check out any updates regarding to my channel and any videos that I upload, because sometimes people are not able to watch my video because they do not get a notification. So every time I will try and post on my community tab. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So let's get started with the haul now. Now for a change, I will start with the accessories first. So the first few things that I'm going to show you are bindis. Now I really like bindis. I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, and I think I have quite a lot of them. So for now I'm going to put a stop on it until I find something nice or something different. So the first bindi that I got are these ones. These are pastel colors. I'm not sure if I showed it in the last video because everything has been a mess in my collection, and now I have gone ahead and organized it in such a way that मतलब ये products मैंने दिखाए नहीं and I have to show it in the video. So hopefully I'll be more organized in the future. Nevertheless, this is the first one. As I said, this is like a pastel kind of color combination. Very nice to apply on your forehead, or you can do some nice makeup look or something like that for Instagram or something, to be more creative. The next bindi is this one. Now I always end up buying circle one, so this is little bit different. I'm not able to open it, but I hope you can tell that this is like a diamond shaped one, and this will look good on traditional outfits, whereas the other pastel one, you can even wear it on your western, like if you're wearing a t-shirt or something, you can still go ahead and use that. And the third one is a very traditional golden style bindi. So I think I had bought this around Diwali time or December, I'm not sure. As I said, my haul is a collective haul, so it's not something I purchased like yesterday or last week. So yeah, these are the 3 bindis I got. They are all priced at ₹10, which is really inexpensive, and I am a big fan of bindis, as you can tell, because every video I have been showing bindis, but for now I'm going to put a stop on it. The next set of things that I'm going to show are earrings, and obviously a haul will not be complete without me showing earrings. So the first earring that I'm going to show is only priced at ₹10, and I bought this a while ago, but I was not able to show. मतलब 10 रुपए में कितना प्यारा लग रहा है, right? It's like a flower thing, and it's a perfect size, like if you want to wear it whenever you're going out, or if you're going to church as well, you can use this type of earring. It will really look nice, and for $10, nothing like it. The next earring that I would like to show is this one. Now this one was priced at rupees, I think I got $50 for 2. So I do not have anything like this, or maybe I do have, and मतलब मेरे नज़र में नहीं है because I have a huge collection. Now this part was a little bit defective, so what I did is I painted the bottom with a yellow nail paint, and it looks really nice. So in future I will be doing like Instagram reel or something like that showing the earrings. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out. I'll mention my handle out here and in the description. Come and follow me there. The third pair of earring is something I bought in December, just before Christmas, and look at that, it's so pretty, isn't it? Wow. I wanted a different color, but this was the one which I found was best and will suit most of my outfits. If you go online, these kind of earrings will cost you like what, $100 or something, but this one was for only ₹30. Can you believe it? So I would urge you guys to check your local markets and check small vendors, because I feel they do not hike the price unnecessarily. Although now I feel earrings have become very expensive, like you will not find something which is 10 or 20 bucks very easily in the market. Minimum you have to pay 30 bucks, and 10 rupees earrings are a little difficult to find. But because I am a earring junkie and I love collecting and wearing, so I always keep on finding stuff. The last pair of earring is this huge pair of hoops, which I wasn't intending on buying, but I thought let me give it a try. So this is how it looks like. Can you see the pattern on the hoop? So I have a lot of hoop earrings. I have a whole box of hoop earring in my collection, and this is something different. So this is really huge. I wore it once, and since then I haven't had a chance because आजकल बाहर जाना होता नहीं है. Probably in my videos I will wear it once. This was again priced at rupees 30 or something. I bought two earrings for 50, so 25 रुपए में एक पड़ा, I would say. And I think now there have been new style of hoops which are coming up, and I think I bought two of them which I will be showing in a future video. So yeah, that were all the earrings that I wanted to show, and also the bindis. Now let's move on to the next thing. Hey friends, so moving on, I always keep on buying rubber bands and hair accessories. I think nowadays that thing is more in fashion. If you can see, I'm wearing a floral clip right now. Actually my sister-in-law gave me this one. I have a whole packet of it with this different colors. But these two I bought on one of my trips to the local market, and these are nothing but the velvet scrunchies. Can you see that? So this is like a golden one. I picked up colors which I will be able to use on every outfit, and this is a black one. And guess how much I paid for these? Only 10 rupees. मतलब 10 रुपए से ज़्यादा अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो आपको लूट रहा है. Like I see people selling scrunchies online, they are charging like 30 bucks for one. So unless it's an exclusive thing or the material is really good, you shouldn't pay more than 10 or 15 rupees, I feel. I think max 20 is fine depending on the size and the quality of the scrunchie. But these 50 rupees, like people are just quoting any price and selling online, and I'm totally against that. So definitely guys, check your local market, support what happened to the supporting vocal for local. Do that, go to your markets and you will definitely find something. So this concludes all the accessories, earrings and that category. So I'm going to move on now next to the makeup, so please stay tuned. Right, friends, so let's move on to the makeup category right now. Before that, I would like to show this one product, which is the Abs Goodness Peppermint Essential Oil. I've already used half of it. In fact, it leaked on me. Now this one is a pure, almost pure, I would say, essential oil. It says Abs Goodness Peppermint Essential Oil, and this is priced at 135 rupees, I believe, and I think you get 10 ml of product. So if you are into wellness, if you are in somebody who has knowledge of essential oils, you would know that is something very essential in our lives right now, because our lives have become so stressful now, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. So I have been suffering from anxiety. I guess every second person is suffering from anxiety, and you feel stressed out and you feel, burnt out because of so much of work, whether it's professionally or home, and you need something to relax. So that's when this peppermint essential oil comes really handy. So what I do is, like, when you open it, it looks like that. I just put one drop on my palm like that. I just rub it in and I apply a little bit out here. Out here, you can even apply it on your head when you have an headache. And I simply sniff it, and oh my god, it makes me relax like anything. This is a must-have for me. I was really looking forward to buying a peppermint essential oil, and I think this is the cheapest you can get online. Abs Goodness is easily found on purple.com, so you can either download their app or shop from their website. I think this is a really good essential oil, and I'm looking forward to buying the other ones. I did have lavender in the past that has expired, so I want to buy lavender, tea tree and orange essential oil, because these oils are really good, not only for your skin but also, like, whenever you're stressed out, you can put 2-3 drops in your water, in your bucket, and have a bath, or in a bathtub. You can sniff it, you can put it in a diffuser, and these smells really make you feel nice, and you feel less anxious and stressed. So yeah, this is a must have for me, and this was the first product. Alright friends, so now purely talking about makeup and makeup only. The first product I would like to show is a mascara that I'm wearing today. So can you see that my eyelashes have come alive? If you have watched my last video, you would know that a mascara which curls my eyelashes and gives them volume is very important for me. However, I do not want to spend too much on a mascara, because I literally feel that every mascara is the same. Like, I have tried a ton of mascaras in the budget friendly category, and this is another one to my and this is another one which I'm adding to my kitty. So this is the Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. super curled thick lashes. So this is how it looks like. If you'll go on their website, if you'll go on Nykaa and Purple, this is easily available. The price of this is 125, and you get 12 ml of product. I was a little bit confused about this mascara because from what I know, Blue Heaven has walk free mascara, and it comes in, it's the same formula and with the same wand, but it comes in different colors. Like you have a green tube, and then you have a yellow one, and you have a black one. So I wanted to buy that, but when I saw this, I thought this is a new launch. However, the name was written Blue Heaven Walk Free, and this was a photo mentioned. So मैं confused हो गई कि ये नया product है, ये पुराना product है. But I think it's new because the old product has a different wand, and this one has a more, you know, curvy kind of bent wand. Now I have tried this mascara 2 to 3 times, and I felt that there's nothing really different or exciting about it. However, it's too early for me to say something, so I will not say anything right now. So 125 के लिए mascara अच्छा है. Only thing I find that this formula is a bit wet. So this is how the wand looks like. Can you see that? It's like a bent, you know, format, so you can easily apply your mascara. Now the mascara wand is also a personal choice. Some say ये अच्छा है, some say अच्छा नहीं है. I think what is the bottom line is that it should curl your lashes, it should be waterproof, like whatever claims they make, it should at least stand, you know, 50% true to it. Then only I would say it's a decent mascara. So I'll be doing an in-depth review of this mascara now in the future, so please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So yeah, this was the first product, and it was a Blue Heaven mascara. The next two products are lipsticks. Now I have been buying a lot of lipsticks, and now I realize today while filming this video that मुझे थोड़ा break लगाना चाहिए, because honestly when my brother was around and when we were going out and stuff, I think the last thing I would care about is a lipstick, because I'm wearing a mask. In fact, all of us are wearing a mask, and the lipstick transfers to the mask, and that really irritates me. So I am a little bit hell-bent on applying lipsticks now that we are wearing a mask. So I'm just hoping and praying that we get rid of the mask so that I can use all my lipsticks. But the lipstick I usually buy are all in the affordable category. So thank God for that, because I will not spend, you know, 700, 800 on a lipstick when I know it's a pandemic and I cannot wear any lipsticks. So nonetheless, I have two lipsticks to show you guys. I'm not sure if I showed you this Maybelline one. If I have showed, then I really apologize, because as I mentioned, I'm not sure what are the stuff, some of the stuff if I have shown or not. So nonetheless, I'll mention it. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Collection by Color Sensational, and this is Touch of Spice. So I'm sure you must have heard of this lipstick like 10,000 times, and it's such a beautiful color, and I'm pretty late to the game, but this is how it looks like. It's really beautiful, and I'm really looking to try and using this entire lipstick, because ये सस्ता नहीं है. Like for me, definitely is not, because I usually buy lipstick which are like 150, 200. This was 299, but on Amazon I got like a 50% discount, so I immediately grabbed it. Because भैया मुझे लगा पूरी दुनिया ने ट्राई किया, मैंने नहीं किया है. So yeah, I wanted to purchase this, and I'm really happy I got it. I have used it, and the color is stunning and truly sensational. The next lipstick I'm going to show you is from Blue Heaven, and this is what I'm wearing right now, and it's a beautiful lipstick. Now this is called a Blue Heaven Walk Free Matte Lipstick. This is from their newest collection, and the shade I have is 310 Plum Desire. So this is how the color looks like. Isn't that beautiful? So it's like a pinky brown color with a hint of plum to it. So this is what I'm wearing today. It is a matte lipstick, and it goes on quite smoothly on the lips, and it lasts for a decent amount of time. You know what is the best part? This is priced at only rupees 85. Yes, here it is mentioned out here, but the camera will not catch it. So Blue Heaven already had a collection of these type of lipsticks, but those were not matte, those were like the creamy variant, and now they are saying this is specifically matte, and I believe they have more than 10 shades or something. I'll mention it here on the screen. I bought my lipstick from Purple because they have amazing discount. तो मुझे ये कुछ 60 रुपए में पड़ा है, like 60 rupees. Can you get a lipstick? Well, of course you can. And I also bought 2 more shades, and I got buy one get one free. So I will be doing an in-depth review of these lipsticks. I think they are totally paisa vasool and amazing, and I will show you like lip swatches and everything. So stay tuned to my channel. And so last but not the least, I have 3 nail polishes to show you guys. So yes, finally I've started buying nail polishes. So the first one is from this local brand and it is called what, Star Magic Color. So this is basically a glittery nail polish, and guess what, I paid only 20 rupees for this one, and I had applied it on my nails which will not be visible. But basically I got this, can apply it on its own, but other than that I feel if you apply any pastel color or say a yellow or a red, you can apply this as a top coat and the glittery effect will really look nice on my nails. So yeah, this was the first nail polish that I got. Alright friends, the next nail polish that I got is from this brand called Juice. It says Juice Long Stay, and this is a beautiful silver color and it has a lot of glitter to it. Really perfect to go with any western or Indian outfit. And basically I got this color so that it matches most of my outfits. Like if you buy yellow, you can only wear it on specific outfits, or red, something like that. But golden and silver are some colors which you can easily gift anyone, and if you're buying it for yourself, you can it will go on any outfit. So the shade number is 307 and it's called Diamond Dust. So I think it's a really stunning color. ये 60 रुपए का मिलता है और इसमें कितना ml मिलता है? You get I think 11 ml. That's a lot of product and you will easily find it in your local beauty shop. So go ahead and check it out. This is priced at rupees 60, but I got it for rupees 50. The next nail paint again is super stunning. Can you see that? It's a gold color and again it has a lot of shimmer to it, and again it says long stay and it is a metallic nail polish. So ये भी 50 rupees का है and this shade is called 138 Marigold. So yeah, these were the two nail polishes that I got. I'm really happy with it and I'm going to definitely try it on my nails, and I'm going to show it in a future video or on my Instagram or in the YouTube short. So guys, please stay tuned for that. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. Those were all the products I wanted to show you in this collective haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments and suggestions, please mention them in the description box. And as I said, I have not been very consistent in uploading video because I was quite busy with my brother coming down to Bombay, and I was busy with family. But now that I am free, I will try to be consistent and upload one video every week. So please stay tuned to my channel for more videos coming soon. I will try to upload this video as soon as I can, the one which I am talking and filming in right now. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.